Hi guys, I bought this paper shredder by Course brand. Let's see its review. I bought it from Amazon for rupees 6000 and it's a long-term user review. I've been using this for an year and the machine body is plastic material, it's durable and sturdy, and it has caster wheels which help in easy mobility as per your convenience. This black color shredder weighs 6.7 kg and it has rotary blade for paper cutting. Blade material is stainless steel and the dimension width 13 cm, height 16 cm. This can shred up to 8 sheets at a time and it has the bin attached with the capacity of 13 liter with a full shredder indicator, and it shreds paper into 0.4 inches tiny pieces. Let's see how to operate this. So it has this blue light which shows it is powered on, and then we have 3 slider option. One is reverse mode. It will instantly start working in the reverse mode. Then this is off, and in auto mode it will automatically detect whenever you bring the paper near to the shredder. There are few safety points which are pointed here on the top. Do not insert your hand, keep it out of children's reach, and be careful with your hairs while operating. So this one is the separate slot for CDs. It can shred your credit cards, paper clips along with the papers. To use, just plug in. It has this 1 meter long cord and it needs 240 voltage. It operates at the speed of 300 RPM. You can check the noise level. So the product is of good quality with auto feature. Noise level is there, but that would be there with all the machines. It worked well, no issues in the last 1 year of usage, and if you are looking for a good paper shredder, I think you can give this one a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.